Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA for international shipping. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, Amazon FBA makes international shipping seamless, allowing you to expand your business beyond borders without the typical hassles. To get started, ensure your FBA export is enabled. Simply log into Seller Central, navigate to your Fulfillment by Amazon settings, and enable FBA export under the export settings. With FBA Export, Amazon uses your existing FBA inventory in the U.S. fulfillment centers to ship eligible products worldwide at no additional cost to you. This means you can reach customers from all over the world without dealing with international shipping logistics yourself. When setting up a shipment, it's essential to accurately list your product information, including any relevant customs documentation. Amazon will take care of the rest, from handling the international shipping process to delivering the product to your global customers. Remember, you can also choose to disable FBA export if you prefer not to sell internationally. However, leveraging FBA for international shipping is a great way to grow your business by reaching a broader audience. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.